Friends, hello my dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel Hemanta the Social Engineers. Today I bring some rare pictures of our famous political leaders. Before going to discuss one by one, I appeal you to subscribe my YouTube channel. Click on the bell button so that you can get up to date information regarding different educational news and video series of social science from class 6 to 12 as well as some informations from CT, TOT, TOSSTT, tutorials videos of BD, MED and NET. So let's discuss without making any delay. First one is Sonia Gandhi. She is the daughter-in-law of former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi as well as the wife of former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. She is the senior most Congress leader. Actually, she was also the president of Indian National Congress, and she was also the chairman of coalition government that ruled India from 2004 to 2014, United Progressive Alliance UPA government. And next one, that is famous face of India, that is present Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. He was in the earlier time work as a RSS Pracharak, and then 3 times Chief Minister of Gujarat, and now he is famous not only in India as a visionary leaders as well as all over the world as a statesman. Next one, that is Mamata Banerjee. She belongs from West Bengal. She is the 3 times Chief Minister of West Bengal, and she was also Railway Ministers of India, and she is the president of regional best political party Trinamool Congress TMC. Next, the people president APJ Abdul Kalam. He is also known as Missilesman of India, and a great writer who writes so many motivational books, Wings of Fire, India 2020 and many more. Next, that is Rahul Gandhi, son of former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi and one of the top best leader of Indian National Congress. Next, Smriti Irani. Originally, she is an actor, became politician, and she is now the senior most leader of BJP, and he is under the charge of Ministry of Textiles, Government of India, and he was also Education Minister of India, and now next, that is also a famous person of India, former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh. He was a brilliant, intelligent brain of India. He was worked as Governor of Reserve Bank of India, Finance Minister of India, Deputy Chairman of Planning Commissions, and he was the two-tenor Prime Ministers of India, 2004 to 2014, and a well-known economist. Next, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. He was the brilliant rhetoric speakers as well as a brilliant statesman of India. Due to his visionary, the transportation facility all over the world, all over the India, not world, all over India, Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana that we are seeing, the words of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and he is the senior topmost leaders of BJP party. He was also awarded the Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award of India. Next, Maneka Gandhi, daughter-in-law of Indira Gandhi, the former Prime Minister, and wife of Sanjay Gandhi. He she is the she is the one of the activist of animals and environmentalist. She was in charge of different ministry of government of India, such as Forest and Environment Ministry, Women and Child Development Ministry, Planning, Implementation and Statistic Ministry. So she work as a now now as a animals activist and environment activist and senior BJP leader. Next, Arvind Kejriwal. He awarded Raman Magsaysay Award, which is also known as Alternative Nobel, and he is now the Chief Minister of Delhi, Delhi, and he he is the man who is the man behind the implementations of right to Information Act in India, 2000 Right to Information Act 2005 that implemented in India. Behind the man is Arvind Kejriwal, Kiran Bedi, and many more. So this is the some rare picture that we discuss and their achievements and why they famous all over in India, across India. Thank you for watching.